Hello and welcome to our channel of The Incredibles. Now, today I will teach you how to make a basketball game in code.org. So let's move on with it. You can sign in with your Google, Microsoft or Facebook accounts. As you can see, I'll go with Google. Now please don't forget to like and subscribe our video. Also share the video and our channel. Now first I'll show you how exactly the game looks. So let's move down. See. So I run it. So you can see the balls. If we miss, two balls come. Soon this will be filled with balls. So as you can see, it looks awesome, right? So I'll teach you how to make it. Now we'll go to the home page after signing in. Okay, now start a new project. As you can see over here, we'll go with view full list. Now we'll go with basketball, as we have to make the basketball game. Okay, so here we get a lot of options. So first we'll do what is when run. We'll give set hand. See over here, many colors are there of hand. I choose this. You can choose any you wish to. Now after that we'll set the ball speed. Like first we'll set the hand speed, that is the movement. We can also control this with the left and right mouse button in our arrow keys. I'll place it here. Now I'll set the speed of the ball. I'll leave it to be normal. You can also increase, and I'll give throw new ball. This means that the ball will, when we click run, the computer will throw a new ball. Now when left arrow clicked, it means the hand should move left, so we'll write move left. This is the easiest way of coding, that is the block coding. There is an option of text coding also, but over here we'll not use it because text coding over here is a bit difficult. Okay, so now we'll drag these up so that we can see it in a single screen. Yes, now when ball hits the hand, ball should bounce back and a bounce sound will be created. And okay, now when ball hits wall, bounce ball has to be created, sound has to be created. Now when ball is in the goal, score point, and we'll make it to cheering. Whereas over here when it loses, so score opponent point, throw two new balls, and we forgot to set the team, so we'll set it. Now there are a number of teams given us over here. I'll take Chicago Bulls, and a sound needs to be made here when ball misses, that is. Now we'll check with the sounds. We'll make it net swish. Over here I'll make it whistle. Now let's run our game. So you can see it's easy and simple. Oh, see, now we forgot to write throw new ball, so No new balls have been arrived. Okay, so we have to make sure of this. See, now bounce ball was not there, so I am doing this purposely because I need to show you the errors which usually we make. Okay, so you can see this is a easy way of making a small steady game in just 5 to 10 minutes. This game does not need any coding, any superficial classes, just a 5-minute video. So as you can see, the ball is moving on our controls. Basically we are throwing it. Yes, we can increase the speed of the ball, but then it will be difficult for some users. You can increase the speed of the ball, like, see, now I missed it. Now two balls will arrive, as I told. Through, like, see over here, throw new balls I have written twice, so twice it will come. Okay, now see, yes, now we need to be very steady with this game. In higher speeds the game is more interesting and more steady to play. Now I'll show you. Like, if we set the ball speed to be fast, then let's check what happens. See, the ball speed has increased deliberately and it is remarkable. The new ball arrives and we play with it. So see, I've missed two balls. So see, the score has been score is moving on its own and I am not controlling it. So you can see this is an easy and steady game. So now millions of ball will be created. Like, it will happen that the whole screen will get filled up with balls. So see, how is it working now? Hope you liked our video. Do not forget to like and subscribe our channel, The Incredibles.